Comparing two software options side by side. An AI voice continues from here. Let's start directly with Simply Safe Dividends pricing, because this platform is positioned very clearly as a premium dividend research service, not a general purpose portfolio tracker. Simply Safe Dividends is priced at $39 per month, billed annually at $468 per year. There is no discounted entry plan, no flexible monthly downgrade path, and no complex tier structure to navigate. You either subscribe at the full rate or you don't. That pricing alone makes its target audience obvious. Long-term income investors who prioritize dividend safety, stability, and risk control over keeping subscription costs low. At this price point, users receive unlimited portfolios, full access to the platform's proprietary dividend safety scores, alerts for dividend increases, cuts and suspensions, and detailed income calendars with forward-looking forecasts. Simply Safe Dividends also includes analyst-written research reports, valuation charts designed to help investors avoid overpaying for yield, and financial charts with up to 10 years of historical data. Stock and closed-end fund screeners allow users to filter opportunities based on yield, dividend growth history, safety scores, valuation metrics, and income consistency. The platform's philosophy is clear. Avoiding dividend traps is more important than chasing the highest yield. Feature-wise, Simply Safe Dividends is built almost entirely around risk reduction and income durability. The dividend safety score sits at the center of the experience, combining cash flow coverage, payout ratios, earnings trends, balance sheet strength, and recession performance into a single, easy-to-understand signal. Income calendars and forward projections help investors plan cash flow months or years ahead, while real-time alerts notify users when dividend policies change. Analyst commentary adds qualitative context explaining why a dividend may be safe or risky, rather than leaving investors to interpret raw numbers on their own. Where Simply Safe Dividends truly shines is clarity and guidance. It translates complex financial risk into actionable insights, which is especially valuable for retirees, near retirees, and conservative income investors who care more about preserving income than maximizing returns. The platform removes much of the guesswork around dividend reliability and emphasizes consistency, sustainability, and long-term income preservation. That said, the downsides are just as clear. The price is high compared to most dividend tools, especially portfolio trackers and income dashboards. There is no lightweight or budget option for casual investors, and the platform is not designed for transaction tracking, portfolio rebalancing, performance attribution, or total return analysis. Investors who want hands-on portfolio mechanics, frequent trading insights, or detailed allocation analytics will likely find the tool restrictive. The strengths of Simply Safe Dividends are its focused research, safety-first philosophy, and structured guidance. It's ideal for income-focused investors who want confidence, discipline, and professional insight built into their decision-making. The weaknesses are cost, limited portfolio mechanics, and reduced flexibility for investors who prefer a more DIY, data-driven workflow. Now shifting to Pro Stock Tracker pricing, this platform comes from a completely different angle compared to Simply Safe Dividends. Pro Stock Tracker is not a research service, and it does not attempt to evaluate dividend safety, sustainability, or valuation risk. Instead, it's built as a pure portfolio tracking and reporting tool for investors who want structure, documentation, and clear performance visibility across holdings without relying on spreadsheets. Pricing begins with the starter plan at $4.99 per month when billed annually, or $5.99 when billed monthly. This entry tier supports one portfolio with up to 30 holdings and already includes a surprisingly robust set of tools. Users get portfolio sharing, CSV exports, dividend syncing, corporate action syncing, advanced filters, and a full suite of reports including performance, trade history, dividend reports, and benchmarking. Even at the lowest tier, Pro Stock Tracker is clearly designed around reporting depth and operational clarity rather than analysis or recommendations. The investor plan steps up to $9.99 per month billed annually, or $12.99 billed monthly. This tier dramatically expands capacity, allowing up to 10 portfolios with unlimited holdings. It also unlocks additional reporting features such as cash account tracking, contribution reports, diversity reports, and more detailed performance analytics. This plan is ideal for investors managing multiple strategies, taxable and retirement accounts, or long-term portfolios who want consistency and clean reporting without manual data work. At the top end is the Expert plan, at $14.99 per month billed annually, or $17.99 billed monthly. This tier supports up to 20 portfolios with unlimited holdings and includes everything Pro Stock Tracker offers, including multi-currency reporting and the most advanced portfolio breakdowns available on the platform. It's clearly designed for power users, international investors, or anyone managing complex, multi-account setups who want full visibility without artificial limits. Feature-wise, Pro Stock Tracker is all about control and transparency. It tracks dividends, corporate actions, trades, contributions, and cash balances, then organizes that data into clean, exportable reports. Benchmarking and performance reports help users understand how portfolios evolve over time, while CSV exports make it easy to plug data into tax tools, spreadsheets, or custom workflows. That focus also defines its limitations. Pro Stock Tracker does not provide dividend safety scores, analyst research, valuation models, or income risk warnings. It tells you what is happening, not whether it's safe or sustainable. As a result, it works best as an operational layer alongside a research platform rather than a standalone decision-making tool. Looking at public perception, Simply Safe Dividends currently shows a Trustpilot rating of around 4 stars, but based on a very small number of reviews, meaning the score should be interpreted cautiously. Pro Stock Tracker shows a strong rating on G2 at roughly 4.5 stars, also based on limited reviews. When review volume is low, ratings tend to reflect early adopter satisfaction rather than long-term consensus, so they should be viewed as directional rather than definitive. Final takeaway. If your priority is protecting dividend income, avoiding dividend cuts, and relying on structured research instead of portfolio mechanics, Simply Safe Dividends remains the stronger and more conservative choice. If your goal is detailed portfolio tracking, clean reporting, and hands-on visibility across multiple accounts without paying for research you won't use, Pro Stock Tracker is the better operational tool. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest investing software breakdowns, and click the link below to explore the platform that actually matches how you research, track, document, and manage investments over the long term.